Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Style channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm decorating my small kitchen. This is the before and now the after. The kitchen was so boring and you know it's Christmas and I always make everything work. Today I'm doing a video collab with Auledio that sent me a nice kitchen rack. As you can see guys, you know I have a small kitchen, and even you don't have a small kitchen, you can still use it to organize your stuff. This is a 3-tier spice rack. You can hang it on the wall if you want, screw and everything that you need, or you can put it inside your cabinet. Today I'm going to put it inside the cabinet. I really like the quality of the material. It's not flimsy and it's not cheaply made. Okay guys, that's the way all my spice was. In order for me to reach the one from the back, I have to push everything. So now with the spice rack, I can easily see everything that I have because they will be right in front of my eyes. I like it. It's so easy. It's well worth to be organized. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys. You can check it out. This is how it turns out guys. Let me know what do you think. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys. Don't forget to check it out. Okay guys, let's decorate the kitchen. Keep on watching. I didn't want the wire to show, so I had this pick from last year. I bought it from Hobby. Always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. To all my current subscribers, thank you so very much guys. Without you, I would never be where I am today. I'm so grateful for all of you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching. I had to do an emergency move. Guys, this is a new place. I started decorating the place because I just moved in a couple of days ago. So I'm going to decorate the place and stay tuned. This apartment is smaller, and guys, I don't know, but in Florida, it's not easy to find a place. And houses right now, apartment, they are so expensive, like 2 to 3 times the amount before COVID. Oh my god.
The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you.
Been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you.
No, it don't feel right.
is the finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it and share it, so regardless of the size you can still make it pretty. Okay guys, that was all for today, and stay tuned for more video coming because I'm going to add some backslash countertop and everything, make it so beautiful. Even if it's temporary, I always want the place that I live feel very welcoming. Okay guys, thank you so much for taking your time watching my video. I love you so very much, and I'll see you on my next one.